The festival was wonderful. We still have the closing ceremony, and it surely will be wonderful as well. And what made me really happy was the vast range of different films we saw. We saw 8 films, and they were all different in a good way. So wonderful. The location was absolutely amazing at Kinoteca, and it was a pleasure to be there. The projection was good, and nothing to complain about.
From my experience in this last week here, everything has been as smooth as it needed to be. Nothing has really gone amiss, just the opposite. It's been really very well organized and well thought out. I know the problems are financing. I know that's a major problem. You know, but there's something sometimes to be said for having very little money, because it's the enthusiasm of the individuals who are making it work.
Značaj ovog festivala je što mi možemo da pričamo i govorimo o nama. I to je možda najveća vrednost ovog festivala, da kažemo kakvu sliku pravimo, da kažemo šta ta slika znači, da kažemo kako se ta slika može oceniti, odnosno vrednovati i konačno da negde pokažemo i koji je mogući put slike.
The aim of the European Federation of Cinematography is to bring the art of cinematography to the audience. And the other aim is to share experiences. And starting a festival which focuses on cinematography is absolutely really very, very good. I'm very happy to be here. And I'm very pleased that you have been able to start this up. It is really excellent, really good indeed.
And I'm sure I will be here again. This is not my last time. This is my first time, not the last one. I'll be here for sure.